Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, clear a flat surface and power off your Kindle to avoid accidental taps. Once done, remove the case and wash your hands so oils won't transfer. Using a microfiber cloth and included alcohol wipe, clean the screen and wait 30 to 60 seconds for it to fully dry. This prevents trapped dust. Make sure to work under bright light so you can spot particles. Peel the protector's liner about 1/2 and hold the protector by the edges to prepare for alignment. You now align the top edge carefully with the Kindle's bezel. Accuracy at this stage prevents crooked application. Once aligned, tape one long side as a hinge so the protector behaves like a lid and can be lowered straight down. Lower it slowly until it contacts the screen, then press the center to attach. Make sure to smooth outward toward the edges using a credit card wrapped in microfiber to push air out. If specks appear, lift with dust tape and reapply. Most tiny bubbles flatten within a day or two. You finish by pressing along the edges to ensure the adhesive bonds. This reduces edge lifting. Once the protector is seated, remove the hinge tape and replace the case after about 10 to 15 minutes so pressure is even. If the protector hangs over the bezel, carefully trim with a sharp blade at a low angle. If dust remains under the film, lift the closest corner slightly. Use dust tape to pick up the particle and reapply. Alternatively, tiny persistent bubbles can be coaxed out with a fine needle at the end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.